Thank you, man. Have you too. Happy Thanksgiving. My man says, be safe. If only he knew what had happened to me today. Stick around to the end of this video and maybe I'll put the clip in. Man, my truck's a mess. What's up, you little jerks? It's Kale here. It's Thanksgiving afternoon, and all my family's out of town, and I leave tomorrow for a few days for work. So I figured, what better time than this beautiful 55-degree afternoon than to take the bike out and just be thankful for the #1 thing that I'm thankful for this year, and that's Harley Davidsons. So yeah, let's get it. Man, what's up, everybody? What's up, you little jerks? I told you we'd find each other back on this bike behind these bars. Like I said earlier, it's a beautiful 55-degree day out. Thanksgiving. I got no family in town right now, so I figured what better way than to spend the day by myself on the bike, just being thankful for Harley Davidsons. So we're about to take a really quick rip through Valley Forge Park, National Historical Valley Forge Park. Maybe we'll take a quick trip to Washington's quarters.
One eternity later.
Welcome to National Historical Valley Forge Park. This is where the Great Revolutionary War was fought. And I'm not gonna sit here and give any sort of details like I looked this shit up or like I remember it from high school. All I know is that George Washington fought the British in this park here, and there's a lot of stuff left over from the Revolutionary War. So, if that's something that interests you and you're near the Philadelphia area, please come on down. We're about 20 miles outside of downtown Philadelphia. Check everything out. We got a cabin shop, the Washington Memorial Chapel. Go ahead, Google it, look it up. I don't have any other info. The one thing I do know is that there are these really cool log cabins that are left over all the way back from the Revolutionary War. They were built by the actual soldiers, and they still stand here today. Here's one right here. Aw, come on, guy. Just having fun. So for those of you, well, I guess I can't say those of you because it's pretty much every one of you because I just started this. But thanks for stopping in. My name's Kale. My YouTube channel is Dynabolical. And I'm a Harley Davidson rider from the Philadelphia area. And this is my 2016 Harley Davidson Dyna Lowrider S. Currently, we are taking a good old trip through Valley Forge Park, which, like I said, for any history buffs in here, this is where the Revolutionary War, part of the Revolutionary War was fought. So, down here over on the right, we have Washington's headquarters, and they've built this whole cool little park area around it. Let's go this way, and then when we come back, we'll go up by the main statue. Actually, let's go this way. I've been wanting to travel this road for a while. remember as we crossed in, there's Washington Memorial Church Chapel, all the way over there in the distance. I'm just coming around on the back side of the park now. Coming up to the Arch Memorial. I think this might be...
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
At least I got it on video. Well, I guess now would be a good time to assess the damage. Let's just say the Bung King Crash Bar is hands down the #1 thing you have to buy for your bike. This thing just saved my bike. I don't know if I'm gonna put what just happened in the video, but you'll notice beginning of the video I had full windshield and now I have a broken windshield. So if you're wondering if you need these crash sliders in this crash bar, let this be a lesson. Everybody needs one. Well, needless to say, this Thanksgiving Day ride did not go how I intended it to. I don't know if I'm gonna put in the full clip of what just happened in this video, or maybe I'll do it with another video, but as of right now we are limping this bike back 3 miles to its housing. You know, I started this ride saying, let's be thankful for Harleys. And right now, I'm thankful that what just happened to me wasn't incredibly worse than it could have been. I guess it takes some things to make you thankful for the little things you don't realize. I don't even know if I'm gonna keep this little bit in, but yeah, thanks for watching.